Welcome back to the channel. Always a pleasure to have you here. I am Pendulum. I'm your tutor on this channel, and this is Pendulmatics, your complete online school of mathematics. As we always do here, we take mathematics topics and we break them down for you to understand. So we go topic by topic, teaching in the simplest way possible. If you're new here, very good to have you. You're welcome. Make sure you join us by subscribing and turning on our notifications so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be notified to come and watch and learn and get just a bit better at mathematics. All right, welcome. We are still looking at mathematics of finance, and today we are going into discounts, a very interesting topic which I know you're familiar with. So we'll jump into it quickly, but as we do that, don't forget, like the video, especially if you find it helpful. Just drop a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comments as well. Let me know what you think, or if you have questions or observations, and then remember to share this video. That it's very important. So copy the link, put on your WhatsApp, put on your Facebook, put in your group, share to anyone you can share it with. All right, let us help someone else find this video. All right. So what is a discount? A discount is a reduction in the selling price of a product given by a seller for a special reason. All right. So when we talk of discount, you've gone to the market before, and you've seen where a product is normally sold for 50,000, but then for whatever reason, maybe due to bargaining or maybe due to a special season, all right, the price is reduced to maybe 45,000, 40,000. All right, that reduction in the price is what we call a discount. All right, so it's given by the seller for different reasons. Some sellers give discounts maybe to customers that they are familiar with, maybe someone that has become their regular customer. They can decide to reduce the price for them just for that reason. Sellers give discount because of season, during Christmas season and the rest. Most businesses run discount sale. We have something called clearance sale, when sellers want to get rid of a particular batch of products and get new ones. They can put those products for sale at a discounted price so that it encourages people to buy and they clear out that stock. All right, so those are many reasons why discounts are given. And a discount can either be a percentage or a fraction of the original amount, or it can be a fixed amount. All right, so for example, you will see where some places where they say 10% discount, all right, 5% discount, 15% discount. That's a percentage of the actual price. So if the actual price is 100,000 and you're getting 10% discount, that means you are getting 10,000 naira discounted, removed from the price. All right, it can also be a fraction. So 10% is around 1/10, and then it can be a fixed amount. So it can be like, okay, this product is 50,000, but we are removing 2,000 for today. It can be a fixed amount, it can be a percentage or a fraction. All right, so we'll look at two examples of questions on discount. This is the first video on discount, so we'll have two videos. All right, I try as much as possible to make sure we cover each topic in as much detail as possible. All right, so that's why sometimes we make 2 videos, 3 videos on a particular topic, to make sure we cover as much or as many ground as possible when it comes to that topic. All right, so let's look at this ones. This is a trader, example 1. A trader gives 10% discounts for bulk purchases. Meaning that this trader, his modus operandi is that whoever buys a large quantity of his product, he gives them 10% discount. He removes 10% from their purchase. So he has to find out how much will the customer purchasing 50 units of an item worth 720 naira each pay. All right, so 50 units is bulk purchase. That means this customer is going to get 10% off his total purchase. So how much will he eventually pay? So first thing we are going to find out how much is the total worth of what he's buying. So total purchase is 50 units times 720. Remember, each one is 720 and he bought 50. All right, so 50 times 720, meaning his total purchase is 36,000 naira. That's the total purchase of items. And now he got discount of 10%. So that means the amount that is going to be removed will be 10%, that's 10 over 100 of 36,000 over 1. This can cancel this 0 can cancel this 0, meaning the discounted price is 3,600. The discounted price, this cancel 1 0. So 3,600 is the discounted price. That's what is removed for him for buying in bulk. So the question we have to find is not the discounted price or the discount he's going to get. We have to find how much he will eventually pay. Now, the total worth of what he bought is 36,000. This is what the product, the normal price is. But then he was given a discount of 3,006. So the final payment or final amount will now be this total amount minus the discount. So the final amount he will pay is 36,000 minus 3,600, and this will give me 32,400. All right, 32,400. So this is the amount he is going to pay. All right, instead of paying 36,000, he got a discount of 10%. So you are going to remove 10%. 10% of this is 3,600. So if you remove it from the total amount, what is left is how much he's going to pay, and that is just 32,400. So like I keep emphasizing, these things are simple. Mathematics for finance is a part of mathematics that if any question comes out of it in any examination, you should be able to crush it. Any part of mathematics or finance, simple interest, discount, commission, hire purchase, insurance, depreciation, appreciation, common interest, anything that comes out from these topics, you should be able to crush it. All right. Now the second question, the last one for this video. I'm trying my best these days to keep these videos short. Gone are the days when we have videos of 30 minutes. I think these days maximum 15 minutes we are done with each video so that it doesn't get too long. Now number 2 says the market price of a product is 2,400. That's the selling price, 2,400. But after bargaining, a woman is asked to pay 80% of the price. You know how women love to bargain, all right? They love to haggle and price down products. So this woman bargained, and she was eventually asked to pay just 80% of the whole price. Now the question is, how much did she save by bargaining? How much did she remove from the actual price by bargaining? All right. So how do we solve this? Well, the selling price or the normal price is 2,400. Alright, that's the normal price. But she paid only 80%. So the amount she paid, instead of paying 2,400, she paid 80%. And this is 80% of this is 80 over 100 times 2,400 over 1. So we want to know how much she paid. 80% is what? We'll find it. Alright. So again, 0 can cancel 0, 0 can cancel 0. This will give me 8 times 240. Alright. 8 times 240. And this is 1,920. So the amount she paid, instead of paying 2,400, she paid 1,920. Alright, but the question did not ask you how much she paid, it asks you how much she saved, which is easily gotten. So if we know that the total amount is this, or the actual amount, but she only paid this. How much did she save? It's just subtraction. So the amount saved is just this minus this. Alright? The total amount 24 minus the amount she eventually paid 1920, and this should give me 480 480 naira. That was the amount she managed to save or knock off from the product. Alright, so this is one way to solve it. Another way to solve it is simply we are asked how much did she save. Alright, now we know that the total percentage of anything is 100%. That means the total percentage of this price is 100%. 100% of this price is 24. That's the total percentage. But if she paid only 80%, that means she saved 20%. Percentage saved is 100 minus 80, which is 20%. Alright, she paid 80%, and our total percentage is always 100. Now, if you subtract 80 from 100, you know that the amount she saved is 20%. Alright, so I remember that's what we have to find. How much did she save? So amount saved, remember, is still 20%, which is 20 over 100 times the selling price, 2,400 over 1. This 0 can cancel this can cancel this. 240 times 2 is 240, that's 480. 480. So you can see basically the same thing. This is even shorter. This is even shorter, because if you know that she paid 80, the remaining percentage is 20. That's the amount she saved. So just find 20% of your selling price and you get the amount she saved. Alright, so very simple, very, very simple. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comments. If you have any observations or things you want to let me know, put it in the comments as well. Alright, and then your assignment, similar to this, a trader sells a jewelry set for 46,000 naira. That's the selling price. But after bargaining again, another woman that loves to bargain, a woman is able to knock off 2 over 5 of the price. Alright, so she is able to save 2 over 5 of this price. The question is, how much did she eventually pay? So it's similar to this, just a bit twisted. Alright, now the only thing you have to do here, she's able to save 2 over 5 of the price. You can convert this to percentage by multiplying this by 100. 2 over 5 times 100 will give you the percentage. Then you know the percentage she saved. Alright, then if you know the percentage she saved, if you take that percent of this, you now know how much, the amount she saved. Then subtract that amount from the total amount, you know how much she paid. It's as simple as that. Or you follow this second method. So if she saved 2 over 5, if you multiply by 100, you get the percentage she saved. And if you're able to get the percentage she saved, you can minus that percentage from 100 to know the percentage she paid. And when you get the percentage she paid, you just take it as a percentage of this, like this, and then you get the amount. So it's not difficult. Try it out and then drop your solution on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or in the comments here. Wherever you can, just send it to me so that I'll go through it and give you feedback. Alright, so that's that for that. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you even a bit. Like the video, please, and comment on it and share it. Alright, share is very important so that other people can see this and learn. This is very simple, but you won't believe that there are people who struggle with this. This can help them. This can, help their mathematics career. So please share the video, and then if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Let's get our subscription count up. Alright, so just subscribe. It won't take anything from you. It won't cost you anything. And remember to turn on our notifications so that you don't miss our videos, you don't miss our content. We share a lot of videos, 2-3 videos a week, and you don't want to miss any of them because they are always filled with so much to learn. All right, so thank you. I'll see you in the next video. We'll look at the second part of discount. We'll take a slightly different type of question, slightly more complicated than these ones. All right, so I'll see you there. Bye for now.